Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to tell you about a DIY eyebrow growth serum. So the serum only has two ingredients in it. One is castor oil, which we know is amazing for hair growth. And the other is what's known as fenugreek, or methi in Hindi and urva in Malayalam. So what you would do is take the methi and grind it. So use a coffee grinder or even manually grinding it with a sipota and pestle until you get a fine powder consistency. You will then take this and infuse it with 2 tablespoons of castor oil. So this is going to be a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek with 2 tablespoons of castor oil. And you can leave it overnight or even for a week if you want to, so the two infuse before you start using it. As you all know, castor oil has amazing properties. It's rich in vitamin E, which is great for hair growth and promotes hair follicle health as well, and also has amazing moisturizing properties. And methi, on the other hand, is good as a conditioning and hair growth agent. So the two together is a potent combination. So I've been trying to grow my eyebrows out thicker and longer for about 2 years now. And I've just been letting it grow out naturally. So I haven't tweezed in a while because I don't want to damage the follicles more than they already have been damaged. So I would notice like patchiness and areas where it wouldn't grow as much as some other areas. But as soon as I started using this serum, in probably the past 2 months or so, the hair growth has been much faster and thicker, and also been growing in the areas there was reduced or no growth before. So after having tried this, I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it.